So about 6 years ago, I was diagnosed with sleep apnea, and they recommended that I use a CPAP machine, which I used, and it was one that kind of went over the face, and it was in a big giant box. And I travel quite a bit for my job, and that would be my extra carry-on when I would be traveling, and it just became burdensome, and I found that it didn't really seem to work for me. It wasn't giving me the sleep that I was expecting, and I was mentioning it to one of the hygienists when I was getting a cleaning once, because I also grind my teeth. So we were talking about how I should get a mouth guard for grinding, and then that's when she said that they have this mouth guard called the Moses, and the Moses is top of my teeth and bottom of my teeth, so it's a mouth guard for both, so it prevents the grinding, but it also opens my airway. So now when I travel, I put a little mouth guard in my pocketbook, and that goes with me. And the sleep, I find that I'm definitely sleeping better. I'm not snoring, which is a plus. And it's so much more convenient than having that big machine and having to travel with that, and cleaning that machine versus cleaning the mouth guard is a significant difference as well.